Well, what's up YouTube? Today I want to make a quick video on the Samsung fridge. As you can see, it is stainless steel, beautiful. It has the 4 doors, 2, 3, 4. You have this nice little handle to get it open. It's very nice. As you can see, these are the settings. Is touch. You got the freezer, door, alarm, energy saver. It tell you how much temperature is the freezer, how much temperature is the fridge. Just the fridge side. As you can see, you have water and you have ice. Now, so let's check out the freezer area. As you can see, it has a little compartment. The light is LED, is nice, and that's how that looks. You have these little containers. And it's pretty big. This is the other side. As you can see, it still has the containers, and that's how it looks in there. Has the LED. The refrigerator is very nice. So that's the nice freezer. As you can see, both doors. So now we open up this area. You come with these nice little compartments there. As you can see, the nice LED lights, cool white. You have your little containers, a bit small, but it fits pretty nice. You have your glass that picks up right here, and your sodas and stuff like that. Your ice machines right there, which you will slide down here. This is your other compartment. Very nice. The way it's set up is very nice. They have a wider one. This is the 24-inch. They have a 35-inch, and that's the one with the hub. And as you can see, it looks amazing. You can get it with a hub or without a hub. This is the one without. This is the one without the hub. If you get the one with the hub, you have a big hub right here. Beautiful. As you can see, it's very nice. Very nice. Well, I just wanted to show you how this refrigerator looks and how it looks on. It has a lot of compartments. I have no issues. And get you all 4 doors open. And that's it. That is the whole fridge. Very nice. We got this one from Home Depot. Very nice. Well, you can also lock, unlock. Has a control right here. Very nice. LED everywhere. Very nice. Well, if you have any question about it, comment below. I can answer it. Well, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Very nice fridge. Very nice. Yeah, as you can, look at this. It locks in right there. This one closed right there. And that is about it. Well, very nice. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.